with my nigga Wayne, man. You finna try some good pop, man.
Is it good though?
Man, hey, hopefully, hey, hopefully that,
that
yeah, I saw you.
bitch good. Is that bitch burnt like
Yup, just the pig from the other day. Ooh. What's that? Okay. Okay. Blueberry pie again. Feel me? Ooh. This a camera.
They pay us to create though. On Facebook and Instagram, they pay us to do this stuff though. Yeah. The matte glasses, yeah. If it was some more meat on the ribs, they would have came on. It ain't no meat on the bones.
I see it from when we cut it the other day. I'm like, shit, these are ribs.
It ain't no meat on the mugs, man. The season good, barbecue sauce straight. You get what I'm saying?
Oh no, see, y'all marinated.
Well, I dry rub it.
Oh, dry rub.
Courtney.
You did a good job.
Hey, it's a crazy part. I don't even eat pork. This shit good.
Thank you.
This shit real good.
There ain't no meat on the motherfuckers though. That's the only thing I hate about this.
It's a pork maple, apple maple sausage. Let me just show you.
Whole time this shit was recording in slow mo. I'm so irritated, man. Doing this fucking work, man. This is what the fuck, you know? That's what I signed up for.
Vegetable stock and shit. No, know your man. Trenches with no romance.
Take my chance. How you gonna be in your feelings when I'm in my feelings? We both can be in our feelings. I ain't gonna lie, we back to
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely.
Take a picture of what you got. That's your meat supplies. Everything that you got, all your ingredients. Take a picture. Y'all need to start taking pictures. Y'all want other stuff. Okay. Where's your picture, Simon? You want me to send it to you?
I got my picture.
Where you from? Big girl. Damn, I need some. I was then you look to touch on your phone with your. I can subscribe. I was going to start, then I read the stuff. Yeah, I like that.
We just made dressing. So I'm about to show y'all what it's giving.
Click it 3 times. The M button.
Y'all move them down here? This is for day class.
Oh, okay. So look. Wait. Yeah.
You can use the side of the table over there too.
I'll put it in my bag.
Good job, K-Wall.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You feel me? This is dish. You feel me? Y'all star of the show. So that's what we made today, y'all.
Let's show y'all. We did it. We did it.
Like Hey, Diddy. Right.
Let me show y'all what Ashley made.
Right.
I mean, Aaliyah. Let me show y'all what Aaliyah made. Aaliyah and Cody made this. Ooh. Her buttermilk ranch.
Barbecue, we know.
Guacamole.
Yeah. We did our big one.
Everybody in our class is energy.
For sure. Look at all this. Look at all this goodness, man. Everything homemade. Everything from scratch, but the vegetables. You feel me? Ooh.
They do them here too.
Yeah, we could do them too. Yeah, man. Made some dressing, man. Me and Autumn made some dressing. I ain't gonna lie, that Russian dressing, that shit tastes so good. That shit tastes so good. And Copper stuff tastes good too, y'all. Y'all, Copper made that she made that, what you call it again? That Rockford sauce. That rah-rah sauce. Oh, dang.
I need 2 people on this sink. One to flow through, one to put up. Then you're going to have somebody get the mop bucket. You're going to have somebody get the broom, get the dust can. Have somebody take all the towels, put them in the washer. Have all the sandy buckets, get washed out and go to the back. You got this.
Chef, this fine. Chef, is this fine? I just want to make. All right, I was making sure. Excuse me, you about to Oh, I thought you was about to put up the lemon water. I'm about to get me some. That lemon water good as hell. Man, we did our big one today. I ain't gonna lie. We did our big one. Yeah, it made some dressing. I don't know where they getting them cups from. I'm finna be drinking out of this. Shit, for real. Drinking out of this. It's my cup. Give me some ice up in here. Let me put my camera down. I have dressing on my camera. Shit. Feel me? This shit here now.
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so